show you how you can use my gadget to play your iPhone music from your iPhone right through this analog boombox. This is an old analog boombox that has a CD cassette. Let's see. CD cassette and the radio, but no Bluetooth. What we'll do is we're gonna use iPhone to play audiobooks right through this boombox without any cable or using Bluetooth. We'll just use my Gizmo Guy gadget to play the audiobook or the audio from the iPhone, and this will work for iPhone 6 all the way to iPhone 13. Okay, they all work the same with the same lightning plug. So all we have to do is plug in my device onto the radio, and we'll be able to cast the audio from YouTube, and this will work for audio. It will work for YouTube, podcast, Pandora, iHeartRadio. Any audio that you want to hear, you can cast it from your iPhone through the old radio, or in this case, a boombox, by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. You get this gadget from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. So let me show you how it works. All you have to do, let's turn on the radio first. You can see that this is an analog radio. So we'll set it to the FM. Set it to FM, then we turn it up. You can hear that there's nothing but the static coming through. So now we're going to use Gizmo Guy gadget to play the audio through this boombox right here. So we plug it in. You'll notice that red light comes on. Once the red light comes on, that means the transmitter now has been activated and is ready to play. So now all we have to do is hit play.
McGinnis remarked.
And you can hear that it's coming through.
There is no more.
We plug it in. Wait for it.
In the world than to assist another human being
loud.
To help someone succeed. Even if you have spent much of your life pursuing selfish gain, it's never too late to have a change of heart.
We'll turn this down so you can hear it just coming from the iPhone.
Even the most
so that's what it sounds like coming from the iPhone only. Now we're gonna cast it through this boombox right here. First we're gonna turn up the volume. You set the volume down to about 80% for the best sound quality. All you have to do is plug it in.
Nobel vowed to promote peace and acknowledge contributions to humanity. That is how the Nobel Prizes came into being. 2. Unselfish thinking adds value to others.
So now you can hear that the music or the sound.
In 1904,
it's actually coming through from the boombox from the iPhone. And this will work the same for the radio as well. So we'll go to iHeartRadio in this case. We'll play. So this is how you can play your iPhone music through any old radio. In this case will be this boombox with the CDs and cassette player and no Bluetooth, and we can play the music from your iPhone or audiobook from your iPhone right through this boombox without using any cable or Bluetooth. Simply connect my device onto your iPhone like this, and you'll be able to cast all your sound, all your audio through the radio, through your old radio without using Bluetooth or an aux or any wire at all. And this will work with iPhone as well as iPad. Okay, you can see my other demo for the iPad. So you get the Gizmo Guy gadget from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. You get Gizmo Guy gadget. And this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. And this is a video showing you how you can get your music from your iPhone to play through old boombox, old radio without wire or Bluetooth. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Small guy, thank you for watching. To find out more about my product or to make a purchase of my product, please go to iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, or click on the link below to find out more or to make a purchase of my product. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye. For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com.